What's up guys, Ackeem here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and a review of the K&F Concept ND filter. Now this filter basically can work on the lens that is 72mm thread, which basically comes in this package right here. Just gonna unbox it to you guys see what's inside. You can see right here, K&F Concept. Inside right here, this is what the ND filter comes in. Also in the package we have some cleaning tools, some cleaning cloth that you can basically use. So this guys is the ND filter right here. Right, this is the glass right here guys, looking pretty neat. ND2 goes all the way right here to about ND32. And this lens right here guys, which I'm going to try it on, is a Sigma 16-28 f2.8mm lens. So just put on the thread right here, screw it. Now what I like about this right here, it basically protect your camera lenses also. So if you're worrying about your camera being scratches on the lens, you also protect it, and it also act as an ND filter. So if you're shooting in those bright sunlight, it will protect those bright light, which can basically lower your aperture, which give you that nice blur background, especially if you're shooting in sun and those things. And this is what I go with. As I can see right there, you can see the lens, and if I turn this up, you can see guys that it basically get darks right there. So I turn on the ND right there, right down to 2, and it goes all the way up to 32, which basically darken the image, which give it that glow, which turn down those bright light. Now guys, right now I'm shooting without the ND filter on. Now I'm at a f.11, f-stop of 11 right now on the camera right here. So I'm just gonna try on the ND filter to see how much we can go to lower the amount of light that come inside the camera right here. Now this one is basically fluctuating in and out, so you might see some changes in the lighting of this video right here. So I'm put on my ND filter right now, let you guys see how it works. As you can see right now guys, I have screwed on my ND filter and I'm down to at least f.8. This one is still fluctuating, so I'm going to turn up the ND filter right here. So I'm at ND2 and the camera right here. Just going to darken it a bit. So I'm going to lower the amount of light. It's coming into right here. Now I'm at ND32. The f-stop right here is the lowest it can go with the ISO, which is 2.8. So you guys can look at this if you guys see any vignetting onto this lens right here with the filter. If you guys see any vignetting in this, so I know that most of these, especially when you go wide angle, we have a lot of vignetted in the quality of the image. So let me know how you think and how this basically looks. As you can see, I have those blur background because I have the S stop goes down to really low, which give me that blur background into it. And I can basically turn it up a bit, adjust it up, as you guys see right there, turn it down. Just gonna play with it so you guys can see how it basically looks. Turn it up back again, and this one is back at 2 ND2. Turn it up again, right up to ND32. This is far this can go with this ND filter right here, which is really low, as you can see right here guys. I don't want to carry it that much low. It's gonna make it stay right here, which give me that great look, as you guys can see. So this is my honest review of this ND filter right here. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you want me to do more of these, make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace out.